Good morning, welcome to my channel. I did a project for Tsunami Rose Data Collins. It's vintage velvet, done in the Nick the Booksmith rounded spine. It's a gorgeous journal. I really love it. I didn't put a tie around it because I didn't want to spoil this picture. This is supposed to be a black and white, but it's actually cream and black. I felt that that's what I needed to do for this journal. This is fabric, printed on fabric, and I absolutely adore this picture. I am not sure if this is a Laurie Dennison picture, but she'll let me know anyway if it is. Like I said, it's a rounded spine. It's my favourite spines to do. And I hope you enjoy this video. I will also link kits used in the description box. All this was printed on parchment paper. It's got lots of ephemera, lots and lots of ephemera. There's a glassine bag there, the postcard, and that's the only bit of colour inside apart from that. Then it's the kit. The kit's printed on black and white, but because I like printing on parchment paper, I couldn't get the white, so I printed on the cream, and I tell you, it printed out beautifully. So much ephemera. Like, this is all the ephemera that came with this DT, and I used this beautiful ribbon and was able to tuck inside it. I put a doily there, some ledger paper. Like, love these, but the ephemera is astounding. There's so much of it, and I did it this way. I'd like to think the journaler or the person that gets this journal can play and be adventurous with this kit. I've sewn around the pages, and it's just gorgeous ephemera. So I've sewn around the pages. Look at just so much. There's so much in it. Like I said, it's just an enormous amount of ephemera. This is an envelope. I just attached it there. Look, there's journaling cards. There's all sorts of ephemera. And it's gorgeous ephemera for this type of journal. All my background pages are this beautiful, look, I don't remember the name of it, but there's so many pages, and I printed the back sides of the journal with that. Look at it, just gorgeous. Using some book pages. Here I've used one of the journaling cards as a tuck, so you can tuck neatly in there. Just absolutely love how it turned out. Just more journaling cards, tickets. Like I said, he has an abundance of ephemera. Look at that. How could you not print on that? It just looks gorgeous. A little fancy envelope. And you notice I printed the back side on this as well, because I felt that that's what it needed. In some of the journaling cards, it's either white, or I've printed the, I've actually printed the back side of the leaves, or I've left them black and white. But just so much in this kit. It just really balances out with the colours. I tea stained, not tea stained, I stained some of this fabric to blend in and to add texture and colour to the pages. Look at these journaling cards. Like I said, there's so much you can do. And see, like I said, in some instances I printed on the back side, this print. There's, I forget how many pages of this. There's a lot. Made so many tucks. So you see I've done it in white and I've also done it in the kit. This took me forever to cut. Because like I said, so much ephemera. Isn't that gorgeous? Tuck there. I love these. This I haven't cut. Like I said, I have left room here for whoever buys this journal, room to move. Because really, when you get a journal, you like to think you can do your own thing. How gorgeous is it? And like I said, it printed out beautifully. Again, I've used the ribbon as a tuck. It's quite stiff. Even though I've sewn on it, it's still quite stiff. A tuck there. How cute. And then again, lots of journaling cards. And used one of the tickets as a tuck. There is so much you can actually do with this journal. Make that into a tuck. With the journaling cards. They're just amazing. Postcards. Very, very nice journal. Really, really happy with it. And as you can see, this just complements this kit. I just love it. Use the meter folding pages just for a dash of colour. Is that sewn on? Yep. Feels like it's a double page. And it is. And I've left that blank to show you the quality of the paper I've used. Again, it gives you room to move. It's just gorgeous. And tacks. Like I said, I'll link the kits below in the particulars. I left that blank. Like I said, there's so much you can do with this journal. Tuck there, tuck there. I wouldn't be surprised if there's more ephemera lying about. I'm not sure. I don't think so. But, because it's all in here. Like I said, I've allowed you, the purchaser, room to move. And that's a tuck there. I just like working this way. It just gives you some ideas of what to actually do with this journal. Again, see, some are blank, some I've printed behind them. You can still write in it. Isn't it gorgeous? On parchment paper, you get the best prints. Again, you got little journaling cards. And again, the same here. They're just gorgeous. Look at that. I was going to use that as a tuck and decided, no, again, I need to leave the purchaser room to move. And with this journal, you can. Tuck there. Journaling cards there. It's just real sweet. And I'm going to call it black and white and cream because that's what it really is. But look at the ephemera. Just amazing. And amazing. Oh, there's more. I've tucked them in there. Like I said, this is going to give you room to grow this journal how you please. And I just believe that Edith Holden page just complements it. And you've got a tuck there, just full of ephemera. It's quite a heavy journal because it's been done in a hardcover. This is a vintage, well, it's actually antique. It's 1925 invoice. I thought I'd add that in as a complimentary to the journal. Just gorgeous. I haven't quite done one like this. I've done a black and white one before, but not quite like this. Not adding that dash of cream to the journal. Look at all the tickets and gelling cards. So you've got a lot to do. And then you've got a little tuck in here. So you can do quite a lot. This is from an old vintage magazine I got back from Edwin Cougar. An old book page, Edith Holden. Just a ruffle from fabric that I dyed for this particular journal. Look at the ephemera. Like you have got stacks of it. And I wanted to include it all with the journal because it goes with it. Like I said, it's going to give you lots of playtime. Lots of playtime. Again, because I know for a newbie junk journaler, it is very hard to put a book together. So I thought doing it this way and giving you some ideas of how I actually do my layouts will complement this journal for you to complete. I didn't add ribbon to the tags. Again, I thought I'd leave that to the buyer because we all got our own ideas of how we should do our journals. They're just gorgeous. There's a tuck there, and that's an envelope. This is the monotone ephemera pack. I don't know if I've said that correctly, but anyway, there's a tuck there with a postcard, journaling card. It just prints out beautifully in that paper. Then I've included another vintage ephemera, and that is 19, oh golly gosh, I can't see a date on it, but it's Maltese, I think. No, it's not. It mightn't be Maltese at all. Look, honestly, I can't give you a date, but it's very old. Oh, it's 1921. So it's very old. It's all stamped. There's an envelope there. Like I said, this journal, you can do what you like with it now, because the majority of work is done for you. And for a DT project, I thought this is ideal doing it this way. Again, the envelope. You've got plenty of ephemera to add to this journal. There's that vintage ephemera. Another ruffle. That was a little tiny pocket, but I've decided instead to leave it wide open so I can add the journaling cards. And again, it just allows you room to move and to add your own stuff to this journal. There's a pocket there that comes with the kit, and there's a tuck there, old ledger paper, and look at those sleeves, it's just gorgeous. And there's a tuck there. And I've tried to keep it within the theme of the journal. This is, I forget what you call it, but you'll be able to stick your finger in there. It's, oh, look, for the life of me, I can't think. But this journal's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 signatures. Is it or 6? 5 signatures. But it was just gorgeous. So these 2 pages just gives you ideas of what you can actually do with this kit. Like I said, you've got plenty of ephemera to actually bounce off with it and do what you want with this journal. So, envelope, I'll tuck it in there. It's just gorgeous. I love these. Absolutely love them. Like I said, it is a beautiful, beautiful kit. So, whoever gets this, or you want to make your own, hopefully this is going to give you some ideas. It's just gorgeous. And I know a lot of ladies like to own a Nick the Booksmith book. They are well done. It's just gorgeous. So you cannot see your signature. It's just sewn in beautifully. Like I said, it's just a gorgeous, gorgeous kit. Beautiful. It really is. It's just gorgeous. Just thought I'd give you another quick glance at it, so you can see what I actually did and didn't do to it. Just amazing. The vintage ephemera. And like I said, all the printed pages are sewn around. I basically do that to all my journals. Just gorgeous. Look at that page. And there's your tuck there. Now I finished it off with this beautiful paper, but I don't know if it's Casa Craft or not. But it's just gorgeous. Like I said, when you're buying a journal like this, you've got a journal that you can write in, embellish yourself, because you've got everything included. Thank you, Daisy, for having me on the team. And thank you, everybody, for subscribing and liking my channel. Thank you. See you next time. Bye for now.